Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset Slack notifications, detailed guide step by step clearly. To reset your Slack notifications, start by launching the Slack application on your device. Once the application is open, locate the workspace you want to adjust notifications for. Click on the workspace name at the top left corner of the Slack window. A drop-down menu will appear, and you should select Preferences. In the Preferences menu, find the Notifications section on the left sidebar. Click on Notifications to view your current notification settings. Here, you will see options to customize your notification preferences. If you want to reset notifications for an entire workspace, look for the option labeled Notify Me About. You can choose from options like Direct Messages, Mentions and Keywords, or All New Messages. Select the setting that best fits your needs. To ensure you receive notifications as desired, also check the settings under Sound and Appearance. If you want to silence notifications for specific channels, navigate to each channel of interest. Click on the channel name at the top of your Slack interface. In the channel settings, find the Channel Notification settings. Here, you can select All Messages, Mentions Only, or Nothing. If you are using the mobile app, the process is slightly different. Open the Slack mobile app and select the workspace you wish to modify. Tap on the U icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. From the menu, select Notifications. Here, you can adjust your notifications for that specific workspace as well. For a more comprehensive reset, consider turning off notifications altogether and then re-enabling them. In the same notifications settings, you can toggle the Do Not Disturb mode on or off. Remember to check any mute settings for channels and direct messages, as these may affect your notifications. After completing these steps, your Slack notification settings will be reset according to your preferences. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.